Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your card on Shein. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account. If you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start shopping. Now, if you wish to add your card onto your account, then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner first. Now, from the Me page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then from the settings page, click on My Payment Options. You will now see the Add a Credit or Debit Card option. Go ahead and click on it, and you will be asked to enter your card number. Type in your card number, followed by the expiration date and the CVV number, and then tap on the Confirm button. You will then be asked to enter other credentials relating to your card, such as your name and your other details. After entering your card details and confirming, once your information has been verified, your card will appear within your payment options right away. And now you can use this card in order to start shopping on Shein. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your card onto your Shein account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.